Hey, it's Gay. Hope you're feeling cute today.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do last minute Halloween costume ideas with clothes that I already have. One of you actually requested for a closet tour, but since it's Halloween, I thought why not play dress up, right? And if you couldn't tell, I'm already in my first costume, so let's get started. First up, we got the Love Witch. Channeling that 60s witchy glam with this bold blue eyeshadow and pink lipstick. For my outfit, I wore a little black dress, similar vibes to this photo of her. I added a heart necklace and big bold lashes to complete the vibe. Super simple but super cute. For Studio Ghibli fans like me, next is Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service. For this one, I added a modern twist with this puff sleeve navy dress. Perfect for comfort and style. And of course, a bright red bow to top it off. I also added this cute Gigi plushie that I got a few weeks ago, which really completed the whole look. And a cute red bag for that delivery girl touch. For the third outfit, we got the Circus Lion Tamer. This one's all about the drama. I wore a fitted black vest with vintage details that gives off that ringmaster look. I paired it with tall boots for some extra flair, and a top hat would seal the deal. But you can improvise with a black headband too.
Cherry popsicles, take lips. I wish we could stay.
For all my anime fans, I've got Nana.
What you mean, what you mean, what you mean? I get it popping like a sugar snap pea. And then I flexed in the mirror.
I just finished watching this a few months ago and I'm still not over it. I saw this top at one store during my Hong Kong trip and it immediately reminded me of Nana. Of course, we can't forget the fishnets and chunky boots. You can add some silver chains and a choker for extra edge, and of course a dark lip to channel that rebellious vibe. I also got this cute keychain because it reminded me of Nana as well.
That's a cool kid. Hand me a towel, it's getting hot. I'm sweating bricks. I took a trip down to SoCal. They do it big, but ain't nobody do it groovy like the groovy kid.
Now let's switch it up with Sabrina Carpenter.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy.
This one is all about that shining pop star look inspired by her feather stage outfits. As everyone else is, I am obsessed with Sabrina Carpenter. And I just want to say that I liked her before Nonsense, and my favorite track of her before was Sue Me, but now I really love Juno.
Wings of gold, we touch the sky. Bad bitches till we die. We so fly.
For a superhero spin, now we have Deadpool. or Lady Deadpool if you may.
What you mean, what you mean, what you mean? I get it popping like a sugar snap.
I wish I had a leather dress for this one, but the challenge for this video is to not buy anything for the sake of this costume, so I just used this black top and black skirt that I have. Then I added this studded belt, and these gloves that I bought for lifting weights but I never got to use again. And of course, we cannot forget the most important piece of this outfit, the red leather jacket. If you have a Deadpool mask lying around your house, you can wear that as well. The key here is to look bold and a little chaotic.
They do it big, but ain't nobody do it groovy like the groovy kid.
Et ton nom, Étienne, c'est le...
Monster High fans will love the next one. For my outfit, I mixed a bunch of textures, starting from this white top with this Peter Pan color and puffy sleeves. Next, I added this pink plaid corset and this ruffled skirt that has so many textures. It's not as accurate as what Draculaura is wearing, but I feel like this is what she would wear if she was in fashion school. And of course, you cannot forget the pink hair strips. If you don't want to dye your hair, you can use these little hair clips that I just bought online for like 20 pesos. And then I finished the look with fishnet stockings and chunky boots. As a bloom, of course, I have to include Maloi.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls.
I think we can all agree that this is her signature look. If you see someone wearing a bubble skirt, you're instantly reminded of Bini Maloi. You can't even lie about that. I recreated her sleek, stylish look with a mixture of coquette and ballet core. Aside from the bubble skirt, red tights and glasses are also part of her signature look.
We so fly. It's been a night, lighting up too many, smoke up just to show.
This next outfit is inspired by Winx Club magic, with a hint of summer.
Like there's no one else around.
I paired this ruffle skirt with this bell sleeve top and my favorite long boots. And I think it really gives off Winx Club vibes. I don't have wings, but you can see the vision, right? I also tried to wear a wig, but I just couldn't fix it, so I opted with my own black hair instead.
We touch the sky, the beaches till we die. We so fly.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed all of the outfit ideas that we did today. I have a few more travel videos coming up, but if you want more videos like this, please comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!